Hello. I'm a mess. Ignore the fact that I am a mess. As much like me, my life is a mess. So, I've been wanting to dive back into like makeup and stuff for a while because it is something that I use as a coping mechanism for my depression. And today I have a whole lot of different emotions that are going on. I got an email from my attorney that basically my divorce is going to be final in the next couple of weeks, which is great. Both me and my ex-husband are very excited about that. We're excited to close this chapter of our lives and move forward. We are co-parenting our 2 daughters very well, and so we've only been doing it for a few months, and like it's a new journey that we're definitely learning, and everybody co-parents differently. So in my opinion, we're doing really good with that. So that was like good news, because like that's finally happened. It's been 2 years coming. I have my oldest daughter's kindergarten, I think, round up here in like 2-3 hours. So I'm going to be doing my makeup to get ready for that with y'all. And I got dumped today, so you know, there's that too. We're ignoring that, you know, healthy coping. So I thought, what a perfect day to do my makeup and just feel pretty. I already primed my face and I did my eyebrows. If you've been around for a little bit and seen previous videos that I did, I don't do my eyebrows on camera often. I feel like I spend 5 hours doing one eyebrow when I do them on camera. So I only have this like little mirror that I'm gonna have to hold, and I'm currently trying to decide where to put it. I'm gonna do my foundation. I'm gonna use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in shade 00B, which is light. This is one of my favorite foundations. I'm gonna very quickly try and do my makeup because I am on a time limit. The whole getting dumped thing threw off my whole timing for things and the schedule I originally had in my head. So I'm going to be doing this very, very quickly and go from there. I am sunburnt right now. See, look, that just, it's gone. Beautiful. But actually with my boyfriend, it's no longer my boyfriend. We went to the zoo with our friends, well, my friends that are kind of his friends too, but they were mostly my friends. We went to the zoo with them on Sunday, and I am in Kansas, and so it was the first like really nice day that I didn't work, and he didn't work, so we went to the zoo, and it was like 80 degrees, and I got sunburned. Like I got the perfect amount out. I love that. For concealer, I'm using 2. I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect in shade 120, light vanilla, and then I'm using Dose of Colors concealer in shade 05, which is fair. I love these foundations. The combination of the 2 colors gives me like my perfect shade match, which I don't really get with any other concealer that I have right now. So I just do the darker one on my inner corner a little bit and on my outer corner, and then I'll touch it on a couple of spots that I'm struggling with a little bit, which, you know, seems to be everywhere all the time. And then I'm going to use the Dose of Color one, and then I'm going to be putting that in the middle, and then also doing oh, that was a little much, a little dab where my problem areas are, which right now is my lip right here, where I just popped a pimple like 2 days ago, and I always seem to have something between my eyebrows, so we are gonna do that. I always blend my problem areas first before the under eye, and I bring it up onto my eyelid. And that is just something I do. I don't know if everybody does that. I just feel like there's way too much on the bottom for it to just be on the bottom. If that makes sense. See, look at how nice that looks. So I'm done blending my concealer, and I feel like my base is, I just love this combination because I feel like the skin tones, the color match is really good, at least from what I can see. I don't know if you guys are seeing something that I'm not. It really gives me like a really nice base. Now going to, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder that I'm gonna use to set my face. I'm gonna take some on my sponge and I'm gonna put it right here. Just a little. I'm not really into like full-on baking anymore. I just feel like it's too much for me. And I'm gonna just touch it on my eyes because I did blend it up there, and then I'm gonna use this brush. I use the smaller side first on my under eye. I just stabbed myself in the eye, and then I'm gonna bring it up, and then I'm gonna go on the underside and just swipe away all of that excess powder. And then I like to take my brush and just lightly touch it in the powder and tap off the excess. Gotta tap off the excess. Just got that everywhere, and I'm wearing all black. Love that. And I'm just gonna go all over my face real quick, just to lightly go over it, because it makes me feel better. You can hear my cat crying outside my door. I'm gonna do that. Just kind of get it all over. I'm not doing anything super crazy with my makeup today. Next time I might, but this time it's basically like for my daughter's like kindergartner roundup thing, and so I don't feel like any of my face is like tacky, so I'm feeling good there. And then I'm gonna go, I'm trying to do this really quickly, guys, I am so sorry, but I'm going in with the Physicians Formula butter bronzer, and just bronzer is all it has on there. Let's see, I'm just gonna swipe it like a little bit. I don't go like heavy on bronzer since I'm doing a more natural kind of look, but I still want to add in that contour. This side, little circular motions, people. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm really ignoring the fact that I'm sad. It's been a year already, and it's April. I'm gonna do a little bit on my forehead, but not a lot. Still ignoring the fact that I'm sad. I probably shouldn't be ignoring the fact that I'm sad. That's probably very unhealthy, but you know. I'm pretty sure 90% of other millennials and people my age are ignoring the fact that we're really stressed and depressed. And stuff continues to happen. Like, I'm trying to buy a house this year. And it's not looking like that's gonna be happening because houses are expensive. Oh yeah, the blush I just used was Makeup Revolution in shade Peach, Peach Bliss. And then I'm using the Milani like highlighter trio. Oh my lordy, I cannot speak. Highlighter trio, in Stellar Lights. I'm going to be using this one called Pearl, just a little. I'm not doing a lot. Again, I was trying to use a non-existent mirror. Still ignoring that I'm not okay. Which has been proven like multiple times in the last like 2 minutes, I want to say. A little bit on the eyebrow, and then I will hit the inner corner after I do. You can see all of the highlighter particles floating around. Lordy. Okay, so I'm happy with my base. I'm very happy about it. I feel like, yeah, I am happy with my base. I'm now gonna do my eyeshadow. Let's see. I am using my tried and true, my favorite palette I have, my Morphe Artistry palette. Looks like this. I like to, with Morphe, I like to take the plastic that has like all of the names on it, and if it doesn't have a mirror, I tape it on the back right here. And so I know and remember all of the names. So I'm going to use Bare first because it's a good base color in my opinion. I'm going to kind of mostly focus it on the outer corner, but I'm going to put it all over. You can't even tell I'm putting anything on because it's hardly a color. Me, I'm going to do the simple, basic, everyday look. Also me. 5 shadows later. Actually, it's only 3. But I am kind of really happy with where it is. I struggle with it being even all the time. So I already did this eye. I forgot that I was recording. I'm currently using Artistic, which is a shimmery, the shimmer color. What am I doing? Have I ever done this before? Apparently not. I'm just putting that on my eyelid. All over. And like it's a dark enough shimmer, and like the look isn't meant to be like a cut crease that I did not feel the need to use concealer and like cut my crease. Like I'm completely content with this. Oh my god, this is not translating well onto my camera. Like in person this looks so gorgeous, but like on my camera it looks terrible. Okay, so I did my eyeliner and my mascara off camera. Those are also things that I typically won't do on camera, but this is the final eye look. I'm very happy with how it turned out. And now I'm gonna be doing my lipstick. I think I'm gonna use Dragon Beauty's. It's a nude. It's a really pretty nude. Called Dungeon Class Matte Liquid Lip Bad Bitch. I've never used this before. It's new. I just got it in the mail. Oh, it smells like caramel. I'm a fan of that. So I'm gonna be putting that on. I don't think I'm gonna do it on camera. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. I just finished putting on my lipstick. I did use the Dragon Beauty Dungeon Class Matte Liquid Lip in shade Bad Bitch. I was skeptical about it because I've never used it before, and when I open it, it does seem very, very liquidy. Like it seems like it's gonna go on like water and just like, I don't know how else to explain it, like just like bleed out into all of my little pores that I have around my mouth. But it's actually so nice to put on. It was so smooth. It's so creamy. It feels so good. It doesn't feel drying as of yet. And it's just, I love the color. Like I definitely think I'm gonna get more because I think she has a couple other shades if I remember right. But yeah, this is the final look. I'm gonna go do my hair and put on earrings. I gotta get my kids ready and I'm gonna go. So thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, my cat just climbed my bed frame into the windowsill. So that's what that was. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel before you go. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.